They give you wings, unleash the beast mode, and keep athletes going. But how are they actually made? Red Bull, Monster, and Gatorade aren't just drinks. They're icons of energy and endurance. But while you crack open a can for that much-needed boost, an intense process happens behind the scenes to ensure every sip delivers the same powerful kick. What's really inside these drinks? How do manufacturers guarantee their signature taste and effects? And are they as amazing as they claim to be? Let's step inside the factories and uncover the secrets behind the world's most popular energy and sports drinks. It all started in the 1970s, not in Austria, but in Thailand, where a local energy drink called Krating Deng was giving workers and truck drivers the boost they needed to power through long shifts. Enter Dietrich Mateschitz, an Austrian entrepreneur who, during a business trip, discovered this magical elixir. Unlike most travelers who return home with souvenirs, Mateschitz returned with an idea that would redefine the beverage industry. With a few tweaks to the formula, less sugar, added carbonation, and a branding overhaul, he launched Red Bull in 1987. It wasn't just a drink. It was a lifestyle statement, marketed with extreme sports, high adrenaline stunts, and of course the famous slogan, "Red Bull gives you wings." Today, over 11.5 billion cans are sold every year, making it the undisputed king of energy drinks. What's inside a can of Red Bull? At first glance, it might seem like a wizard's potion designed to keep you awake, but the key ingredients are surprisingly straightforward. Caffeine, the same stimulant found in coffee, giving you that alertness boost. Taurine, an amino acid naturally found in the body, often linked to energy metabolism. B-group vitamins, essential nutrients that help convert food into energy. Carbonated water for that signature fizzy texture. Sugar or artificial sweeteners, depending on whether you choose the classic or sugar-free version. The mixing process is an exact science. A computerized system measures and blends the ingredients in massive stainless steel vats, ensuring consistency across every can produced. Fun fact: the exact formula remains a closely guarded secret, just like Coca-Cola's legendary recipe. Even factory workers only see portions of the process to prevent leaks. Once the base formula is ready, it's time to add the fizz. This is done by injecting carbon dioxide, CO2, under pressure, which creates that signature Red Bull bite when you take a sip. But carbonation isn't just for texture. It also affects the taste, making the drink feel lighter and more refreshing. Then comes pasteurization, a method originally invented to keep milk fresh. The drink is rapidly heated and cooled to kill any bacteria while preserving the flavor. This ensures that Red Bull stays fresh for months, whether it's sitting on a store shelf or in the fridge, waiting to fuel your next all-nighter. Call to action. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to hit subscribe. We're aiming for 150 subs by the end of the year, and your support would mean a lot. Thanks for being here. With the formula perfected, it's time to bottle the magic. The liquid is pumped into sleek aluminum cans at high speed, with hundreds of cans filled per minute. Each can is then sealed airtight to prevent contamination, labeled with Red Bull's iconic branding. Date-stamped for quality control, ensuring freshness. Once packaged, the cans are neatly stacked onto pallets and shipped worldwide. From Tokyo to New York, every can of Red Bull has traveled through this meticulous process to land in your hands. Monster Energy Production Process. If Red Bull is the sleek, refined sports car of energy drinks, Monster is the roaring muscle car. Launched in 2002, Monster quickly became Red Bull's biggest competitor, offering something different: bigger cans, more flavors, and a bold, rebellious image. While Red Bull was associated with elite sports and precision, Monster went all in on extreme sports, heavy metal concerts, and an edgy, aggressive brand. This strategy worked. Monster Energy now has a massive global following and sells billions of cans per year. Fun fact: Monster doesn't just sell drinks, it sponsors some of the most adrenaline-fueled events on the planet: motocross, skateboarding, and even professional gaming. Monster's formula isn't too different from Red Bull's, but with a stronger kick. Some versions contain higher caffeine levels. Some cans pack up to 160 milligrams of caffeine, nearly double what's in a can of Red Bull. Ginseng and guarana, herbal extracts believed to enhance energy and focus. Different sweeteners. Depending on the flavor, Monster uses sugar, sucralose, or a mix of both. The production process is just as high-tech as Red Bull's. Inside giant mixing tanks, computerized systems ensure that every ingredient is measured and blended with precision. Each batch is tested rigorously before moving on to the next phase. One of Monster's biggest advantages? Their can design. Size matters. While Red Bull sticks to its 8.4-ounce cans, Monster goes big with 16-ounce cans, giving consumers more value and a longer-lasting buzz. Bold branding, the black background, neon green accents, and claw mark M logo scream aggression and power. Texture innovation. Some cans even have raised surfaces, giving them a distinct premium feel in your hand. Fun fact, Monster's M logo was designed to look like a monster claw tearing through the can, reinforcing its wild, untamed branding. Once filled, sealed, and labeled, Monster's cans go through a rigorous quality control process before being shipped out to stores worldwide. Whether you're at a gas station, supermarket, or gaming event, a Monster can is never too far away. Now that we've seen how Red Bull and Monster are made, you might be wondering, how does Gatorade compare? Unlike these energy drinks, Gatorade isn't about caffeine, it's about hydration, electrolytes, and sports performance. But does that mean it's actually better for you? We'll break it all down in the next section. History of Gatorade. Developed in 1965 by scientists at the University of Florida to help athletes stay hydrated, named after the Florida Gators football team. Fun fact, the original Gatorade was lemon-lime flavored and tasted salty. Unlike energy drinks, Gatorade focuses on hydration and recovery, contains water electrolytes, sugar natural and artificial flavors, coloring agents. Ingredients are dissolved in huge stainless steel mixing tanks. The solution is filtered multiple times to remove impurities. Fun fact, Gatorade factories can produce over 600,000 bottles per day. The drink is filled into plastic bottles made from recycled materials. Bottles go through a high-speed capping machine for airtight sealing. A heat-sealed plastic label is applied with the Gatorade logo. Bottles are packed into cardboard trays and wrapped in plastic, shipped to grocery stores, gyms, and sports teams worldwide. Fun fact, the NFL has an exclusive contract with Gatorade. No other sports drink is allowed on the field. Feature Red Bull Monster Gatorade, Purpose Energy Boost High Caffeine Hydration, Carbonation, Yes Yes No, Key Ingredient, Taurine, Guarana, and Ginseng Electrolytes Packaging. Small cans, large cans, plastic bottles, popularity, 11 billion cans per year, 5 billion cans per year. Number 1 sports drink. Energy drinks and sports drinks are made with precision and strict quality control. While they serve different purposes, they all go through high-speed automation and mass production. Final thought. Red Bull and Monster equals for energy and focus. Gatorade equals for hydration and recovery. Choose wisely based on what your body needs. Which drink do you prefer, Red Bull, Monster, or Gatorade? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory tours.